Hello everyone, this is Shabush from Turingness. Today I am going to introduce injection zip tie cutting and packaging machine. Look at this. This is before packaging. This is after packaging. Look at this. This is here is nylon tie. They come from size to quickly. Look at this nylon. This machine is automatically checking out. There is any damage, any something wrong with this nylon tie. This robot is automatically put it down. Look at this. There is something. They already put it down. They already damaged it. Look at this. They how to work it. One package to 30 second, 5 step. 5 second. Only need 30 second. One packet. Look at this. This is damaged one. This is just put outside. This is inside. Look at this. There put it some packet on it. Then this robot is automatically packaged. Look at this here. This robot automatically packaged. Then automatically put it inside. So guys, if you need this kind of machine, please feel free to contact with us. Okay, bye bye.